लिखें जी, द गवर्नमेंट shall comma by notification in the official gazette comma establish a council to be called the provincial council for the rehabilitation of disabled persons consisting of the following members semicolon secretary to the government social welfare comma women development and Baitul Mal department comma who shall also be its chairman, secretary to the government, comma, labor department, semicolon, three members of the provincial assembly of the Punjab, including at least one woman member, comma, to be nominated by the government, semicolon, one representative of the home department of the government not below the rank of deputy secretary semicolon one representative of the planning and development of the government not below the rank of deputy secretary semicolon one representative of the health department of the government not below the rank of deputy secretary semicolon one representative of the education department of the government not below the rank of deputy secretary semicolon one representative of the information culture and youth affairs department of the government not below the rank of deputy secretary one representative of the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry, comma, administrator of the Punjab Zakat and Ushar Council, semicolon, one representative of the Punjab Social Services Board, semicolon, one representative of the registered trade union to be nominated by the Labour Department of the government, semicolon, four persons including at least two women member to be nominated by the government from amongst the persons engaged in the welfare work of disabled persons semicolon and director program of the government comma social welfare department comma who shall also be the secretary of the provincial council subject to any direction given by the government comma the provincial council shall execute the policy made by the government for the employment comma rehabilitation and welfare of disabled persons semicolon undertake appropriate projects for purpose of welfare of disabled persons semicolon issue directions to an employment exchange or any other body for the implementation of the projects of the provincial council semicolon take stock of the extent of functional disabilities of disabled persons evaluate assess and coordinate the execution of its policies have overall responsibility for the achievement of the purposes of this ordinance semicolon conduct survey of the disabled persons who are desirous of being rehabilitated conduct medical examination and provide treatment to the disabled persons semicolon provide training to the disabled persons and take such other measures as are necessary for carrying out the purposes of this ordinance full stop paragraph the meetings of the provincial council shall be held at such time and at such places as the chairman may direct and shall be presided over by the chairman, full stop. The meetings of the provincial council shall be conducted in accordance with such procedure as may be prescribed, and until such procedure is prescribed, comma, in such manner as the chairman may direct, full stop. The powers and functions of the chairman shall, comma, in his absence be exercised and performed by such member of the provincial council as the chairman may appoint, full stop. 6 members of the provincial council shall constitute quorum for a meeting of the council, full stop. All others and all orders and decisions of the provincial council shall be authenticated by the signature of the chairman or a member of the provincial council authorized by the chairman, full stop.